Good morning everyone. Today I am going to introduce HOMOPOLAR motor. The objective of this activity is to determine the energy can be transferred from object to object. Then this activity also determine what elements cause HOMOPOLAR motor to move. Then lastly, this activity is to create a hand-off HOMOPOLAR motor. The material we need to produce a HOMOPOLAR motor is a double A battery, copper wires, and 3 to 4 pieces of neodymium Melaka. The way to do a HOMOPOLAR motor procedure. First of all, we have to bend the copper wire into as many shapes as you would like. Just make sure to follow the model shown in figure 2A and 1B below. Then place the neodymium Melaka on the negative sides of the battery. Lastly, set the copper wire shape on the battery and wait for it to start spinning. The precaution of this activity is we have to make sure the wire touch the top of the battery at all times. You also have to make sure the wire touch the bottom of the battery. Lastly, you have to make sure the wire cross the magnetic field. Now, let's take a look at 2 successful HOMOPOLAR motors. Okay, now the theory. A HOMOPOLAR motor is one of the samples motor built due to the fact that it uses direct current to power the motor in one direction. The magnetic field pushes up towards the battery, and the current that flows from the battery travels perpendicularly from the magnetic field. This causes the creation of a force perpendicular in both the magnetic field and current. This force, known as the Lorentz force, is exerted on the copper wire or the conductor, causing it to spin. HOMOPOLAR motor also used in our daily life. First of all, turbine. HOMOPOLAR motor has been used in high-turbine wind turbines. The mechanics of the motor provide a low-cost means of converting wind into electricity because of the reduced need for multi-directional gears. This motor also requires less maintenance than bipolar motor. Secondly, we have plating. The most common use of HOMOPOLAR motor in a generator that are installed in electroplating process plants. The generator uses direct current DC and low voltage, but the current in the motors is high enough to operate the heavy machinery. Okay, that's all for today from me. Thank you very much.